My Lord, she has a letter of introduction from the elder and an MP card. I beg to give court the originals and some photocopies. And I'm being told here that she has got another telephone number which she wants court to have on record. 772 43 43 02. Member of Parliament for Lukungiri District Women. She's a close. She has a title in both her names and her husband's names. We have and she also has a bank statement.
Joint title, you have a power of attorney from your husband?
But we can produce it.
She said yes.
You have it here? Power of attorney? Yeah. My Lord, we can produce the power of attorney.
Okay.
My Lord, I beg to submit these.
Madam, you may sit.
My Lord, our third surety is Mr. Promise Ambrose. His age 50 years. Is the one. My Lord is a resident of Chitiko village, Bilongo Cell. My Lord, that is in Mutungo ward. Deje division, Makinde Sabagabo municipality in Wachiso district. My Lord, his telephone number is 0. His telephone number is 0752, my Lord, 46 90 85, my Lord. Planning and economic development in the Republic of Uganda. He also has a bank statement for his account in Uganda Finance Bank. I don't know all these documents and the originals here for court scrutiny. He also has a certificate of title. But my Lord, you can process a power of attorney to that effect. My Lord, I'd like to introduce the fourth and last surety in this case. My Lord, that is Dr. Lazarus Bona Tumwesije. Dr. Nazarius is telling me he's professor. I'm sorry. Professor Nazarius Mbona Tumwesije.
The middle name is?
Mbona. 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 My Lord is age 61 years. Is a resident of Nangabo Cell, Nangabo Ward, Kasanga Town Council, my Lord in Wachiso District. Letters of introduction from Makerere. His names and the wife. My Lord, I beg to submit on this title. My Lord, the undertake to get a power of attorney from the wife to the effect that it. My Lord, before I hand over to my senior colleague, we have undertaken to execute it. The last surety is also a friend to the applicant.
No, but you are friends.
We have the wife. We can present the wife. Madam Mureebe, please step forward. Lord, our fifth surety in this case will be Mrs. Nankavira Florence Kabanda. My Lord, she's aged 57 years. She's a resident of Sonde Cell. My Lord, that is in Misinje Ward, Goma Division, Mukono Municipality, in Mukono District, my Lord. '56. My Lord, she's the wife to the applicant, legally married.
Marriage certificate.
We attached a copy to the application, but we shall produce the original. We just forgot it home. It is there. Yeah. She has a renewed national identity card. And she is a principal nursing officer in the Parliament of Uganda. That's what she does. She has an original employer's identity card. And my Lord, she has a letter of introduction from the LC. the application.
Madam, you may have a seat.
My Lord, under the charge sheet, the applicant is charged with other accused people, but he only appears under count number 9, which is an offense of money laundering, contrary to section 3B and E, 119 and 139 of the Anti-Money Laundering Act. He is not charged with any of the other offenses in the charge sheet. And this means, therefore, that the offense of money laundering under the guidelines is not a grave or capital offense, and therefore does not require for him to prove exceptional circumstances for the grant of bail. As such, my Lord, the court will proceed under guideline number 13, which lists the grounds under which bail may be granted. My Lord, as we have demonstrated before you, the applicant has fixed a place of abode. He has produced sufficient and substantive sureties.
This you can cover in your... I'm going to give you an opportunity to put in written submissions.
Most obliged, my Lord. My humble prayer as I sit down is that he is a law-abiding citizen with no criminal record and no pending charges and no history of abscondment from
this money laundering. How much?
It's together about 27 according to the charge sheet.
No. This count.
Count 10.
Yes. How much? Not all.
The amount is 10 billion, 897 million, 71,150. Yes, on account of his age and his medical conditions and his commitment to abide by the conditions of the court, I pray that they will be granted.
Mr. Mureebe's certificate of title that has been presented to court is being verified. Unfortunately, the part that has the encumbrance is not clear.
What the encumbrance is not clear.
The page that has the encumbrance is photocopied over. So you cannot read whether there's an encumbrance or not. That is the copy that we have.
Okay. According to this, is a mortgage interest released?
The first surety that he presented, Mr. Matthias Mwesigwa, is 40 years old. In the opinion of the state, he does not have the capacity to influence or compel the accused person to attend court. He is younger than the accused person.
The name is?
The name is Matthias Mwesigwa. Bank statement was presented for Mr. Mwesigwa to demonstrate his financial capacity. However, when you look at the bank statement, my lord, it demonstrates that whatever money is put on the account is removed within 3 days. It also demonstrates that he's servicing a loan of about 300 million. Which diminishes his financial capacity in case he's allowed to be a surety.
I think these are things you can put in submissions.
We are guided, my lord.
Yes, please.
Just confirm, is he the only one charged with money laundering?
No, he's not the only one charged with money laundering. He's charged along with Okema, Leonard Obore Chris, Adilo Daniel, Kayara Jabsima Lulu, and Otebata Vincent.
And is it...
Yes, my lord.
So, did I see that you confirmed that investigations are complete, or almost complete?
They're almost complete, my lord.
How much time before them?
About 1 month.
When were these people arrested?
2nd of July.
I see here that you intend to have them committed on the 10th of August.
Yes, ma'am.
Does that mean that by the 10th you will have completed the query?
I've completed 90% of the inquiries, my lord.
Because committal is ready to try. Okay. These things about interfering with witnesses. I don't see any substance. Somebody, you did put high or what is the basis of this allegation?
My lord, we intend to file a supplementary affidavit to demonstrate the same. But basically, the gist of our submission is that most of our witnesses are coming from Parliament and these are people of high influence. Parliament and therefore
Let me just, are you on interdiction?
I'm not, my lord.
Or you are in the circle?
I'm for the circle.
What is your position in the circle?
Chief Executive Office.
Does that mean you're still in charge of the circle, in spite of being charged?
Yes, please.
So he's in the circle. Is the circle part of the parliamentary structure? It's not. Okay, so you are saying that you think they can influence, because the thing about somebody putting, this is something all state actions do, this person is going to interfere with this.
Mr. Blunt, my lord, but we intend to do file a supplementary affidavit.
So when you put here that they are going to be committed to High Court for trial, what do you want the court to do with that particular information? Are you going to put that in your submissions?
Yes, we're going to put in our submissions, but basically we're drawing the attention of court to the fact that we are ready to conduct an expeditious trial, no delays whatsoever. So, yeah, the accused persons don't fear that there will be a delay in trial. So they can remain in.
What would you say if somebody was charged with murder and 5 cops striking babies? Does it happen?
Yes, it happens.
Yes. So these are things that substantiate all these issues in your submissions. I'll give you a schedule.
My Lord, I just thought I should briefly.
They are not substantiated in any way.
Yes.
So what is the court supposed to do with that information? So that is why I want them to put them in their submission. Then you get an opportunity to return to them.
Most obliged.
Specifically.
Most obliged, my Lord.
My Lord, I think I am next. Maybe this is one.
You have the gadget.
Adilo Daniel, my Lord, applicant in application 44 of 2026. My name is Okello Oriem Alfred, representing the applicant together with Mr. Omoloi Ivan. My Lord, apart from filing the application, we also filed written
Now
submissions.
let's get introduction.
May it please the court, my name is Daisy Achio. I appear together with Mr. Jason Arinda, Mr. Raphael Kabubi Papali, and Mr.
The third name is?
Papali, P-A-P-A-L-I, and Mr. Pius Kangwesi from the state.
Just for them.
My Lord, my name is Daniel Adilo.
And you confirm that you speak English.
I confirm I speak English, my Lord.
My Lord, the land friend, senior land friend, Mr. Schedules.
I wait when I've heard what is
Most of my Lord.
is involved in all the cases. Because what is going to happen, if you've seen some of these big applications before this court, applications arising out of one, we'll write one good, which will consolidate this whole thing.
Yes, my Lord, I've seen those.
Yeah.
So, my Lord, I was saying that we also filed a supplementary affidavit on 31st of July, which has also been served. And also, applicant written submissions were also served. All of that has been uploaded, my Lord, on ICMIS together with authorities cited. My Lord, the grounds of the application are set out in the motion. My Lord, the gist of it is that the applicant has a fixed place of abode.
Let me start with him as an individual. His age.
My Lord, we can start with that. My Lord, the applicant is 38 years old. The director in charge of human resource at Parliament. Lord, the church describes him as such.
Are you an interdiction?
Yes, my Lord, I've been interdicted.
When?
My Lord, I'm meant to understand that it was on Friday by the IDG.
What do you mean Friday? Last Friday?
No, last Friday. Friday.
That was the date then?
31st, my Lord.
My Lord, the applicant confirming that my Lord is a resident of Supplementary village in Nigeria, which is found in Wakiso. My Lord, the applicant is the father of 2 daughters. States so, both in the motion and in the affidavit in support. My Lord, he has also supplied a land title for Block 115, Plot 6116, Chagwe. An evaluation report, my Lord, by Land Point Associates. They are annexed, copies are annexed to his affidavit, support. I have the originals here, my Lord.
So you say he's a tenant, so what is this Chagwe?
My Lord, Chagwe is his property. And in the event that the court deems it necessary, we thought we should supply it.
More interested in where he can trust.
My Lord,
Individual.
most obliged, my Lord. My Lord, as I said, his residence is confirmed as Mureebe village, but there is a letter from the LC1 chairperson, my Lord, which is Annex B to this affidavit. My Lord, the copy is on record. I am holding the original. My Lord, I also have his original passport. My Lord, the number is A008 15434. From NIRA, verifying his national ID. My Lord, that is all.
Let me have those documents. Is he married?
My Lord, the applicant is not married. 4 sureties that were listed in the application and the affidavit. My Lord, the first one is the Honorable Odim Bernard. If you could just... My Lord, let me start with the second one. Making his way. The first one will now be Dr. Amy Okello. My Lord, Dr. Amy Okello is the uncle of the applicant, and he is age 60 years. Oh,
48.
I was wondering what kind of 60-year-old.
He is a resident of Sasa Local Council in Chira. He is also gainfully employed, my Lord, with Uganda Heart Institute as a senior cardiologist. My Lord, the LC1 letter is on record. I have the read. There is also the National Amy Okello and the bank statement, my Lord, issued by Stanbic Bank. My Lord, I should point out that he is older than the applicant by at least 10 years. He has also provided his national ID, copy on the court record, the original I have. Chief Director of Uganda National Council, Uganda National Cultural Center. And my Lord, there is a letter from the chairman of the board, Annex K at page 30. Confirmed there is also his bank statement, Annex L at page 32. Certified and issued by Banco. My Lord, the telephone number of Mr. Francis Ojede is 0772 520 837. My Lord, Mr. Ojede notes are in that booklet, my Lord, and the national ID.
From which page?
My Lord, Honorable Otim Bernard is 40 years old. He is the Member of Parliament for Mureebe North County in Apache District, and the applicant is one of his constituents. But he is also the uncle of the applicant, older than him. My Lord, he has supplied his identity card as Member of Parliament, Mr. F, page 9. He has supplied his national ID. My Lord, he's also supplied a bank statement from Stanbic Bank. my lord is also supplied a letter from the LC1 chairman of Papati Buwava Natongo cell, confirming, my lord.
What kind of residence is it? Your own place?
Yes. My lord, his telephone number 0776 120 885. The S1 letter should be on in the book at page 5, my lord. National ID page 6 and 7. My lord, there is also a letter from the Clerk of Parliament. Is Ayo Odongo Stella Lake. So that's Lkaer. And she is 59 years old, my lord. She's the aunt of the applicant, a resident of Mutungo Zone 1 in Nakawa Division. My lord, this is confirmed by Annexure M to the affidavit of the applicant, page 51, confirming that she's the aunt and a resident of that village. Confirming that she's the aunt and a resident of that village. Technical advisor with Coalition for Good Schools, international organization based in Uganda. She prefers the word global organization. And they have issued a letter Annexure O, page 54. Serving currently a 2-year contract, and they have even put her national
Contract expires when?
ending 31st July 2027, my lord. Bank statement, Annexure P, page 55.
So after all these photocopies. How old is she?
Hello, Agwang Jennifer is 45 years. She has a telephone number 0752 722 770. She has a national ID. Passport number B22440. My lord, Agwak Jennifer is a resident of Namgongo, Janda, LC1, Kira Municipality, Wakiso District. An introduction letter from the LC1 chairperson.
Yes.
My lord, she is also availing this court a copy of her title, her names.
She's a sole owner.
Yes, my lord, she's the sole owner of that property. And my lord, she's presenting bank statement from Equity Bank. My lord, I take the honor to present the originals to this honorable court. My Lord, our next witness is Honorable Okwere David Becham.
Honorable
Okwere David Becham, MP for Scadia constituency. My Lord, the Honorable MP has a national ID, which is renewed up to 2035. And my Lord, he also availed a parliamentary identity card, number 1636 of the Parliament of Uganda. My Lord is also presenting to this court a passport. My Lord, passport number C000027, Mutungo Ward, in Deje Division, Makinde, Sabakabo Municipality, in Wakiso District. Signed by the LOC1 chairperson. My Lord, Honorable Okwere is 46 years, but he's the MP for Chris Obore.
is in a relationship.
Is there any relation?
What?
Cousin. My cousin.
He's a cousin of the applicant. Are you renting the property? You know, you have a title.
Or it's my own property.
You undertake to avail it.
It's okay. I can.
My Lord, he undertakes to avail a copy of the title of his residence in Chigo. A letter from the Clerk of Parliament.
I can get it before the closing of the day.
My Lord, he will present it to this court before the closure of the day. Sorry, sure it is. Sorry, my Lord, I am running ahead to the hearing. My Lord, our next surety is Mr. Ongora Simon, LOC5 chairman for Kenya District. My Lord, Mr. Ongora is 38 years old and was recently elected the district chairman for Kenya. My Lord, his telephone number is 077 776 7795. My Lord, he has a national ID. Chairperson, where he took oath to prove that he's the chairperson LOC5.
Does that prove the oath?
My Lord, he's recently elected. I think they've not yet gotten IDs and so forth, but
Maybe they found it.
maybe they come here. So you can avail that letter by tomorrow?
Yes.
My Lord, he is also presenting a bank statement from Post Bank. an introduction letter for Ms. LC1 for Kocheka Village, Kocheka Parish, Kocheka Sub-County, Ukedia District.
You have a relationship with him?
He is my close friend for over 30 years.
All 30 years? You have a
residence in Kampala.
Sorry?
Only have a residence in Bukedia.
Takes to reside in Bukedia and Kampala. He has residences in both. So when he's in Bukedia, that's right. My Lord, our next witness is Mr. Surety. Sorry, my Lord. Our next surety is Mr. Ibrahim. My Lord, Mr. Ibrahim Okaram is 50 years old. He has a telephone number 0787 36 39 41. My Lord, Mr. Ibrahim Okaram is a childhood friend of Chris Obore. Is there any other relation? The friend, close friend.
Sorry?
He's a close friend from childhood of Chris Obore. My Lord, Ibrahim is an employee of Kampala City Council. Kampala as a manager, services, protocol, and outdoor advertising. He has presented his identity card for Kampala City Council. He also has a national ID which expires in 2035. It's valid. My Lord, Mr. Ibrahim Okaram is a resident of Watuba Ward, Kasangati Town Council, Wakiso District, and he has an introductory letter from the LOC1 chairperson. And my Lord, it presented, my Lord, he will also avail the powers of attorney when required from the wife. Will you? You will be able to get it. My Lord, he has presented his ID from Makerere University Business School. He also has a national ID. My Lord is a resident of Village 14 in Tinda, Salim Bay Road, Nakawa Division, Kampala. And he has a letter of introduction signed by the LOC1 chairperson of the area under KCCA. Melody is also presented a bank statement from Centenary Bank. My Lord, he didn't have a certificate of title, but he's been able to show his bank statement. My Lord will present the originals.
gentlemen need to present letters of introduction to their employers, just to confirm that they work for the city.
Then the LOC 5 chairperson from the cow in the letters of introduction.
Whether do we undertake to avail them